Hello guys, so dito ako ngayon sa Ace Career College, no? Tanungin natin sila kung ano yung mga produktong mga courses nila nga pwede nating i-enroll, ha? Okay, tanungin natin si Ma'am Myla, no? Siya yung mag-explain about sa kanilang school, okay?
Good afternoon, subscribers of Will. Welcome to Ace Career College booth. We are actually located at the Center Street, Southwest Calgary. And we have programs. Right now, we have Executive Administration, Business Accounting and Payroll Administration, and Information Technology Technician. We have flexible schedules, so everything is done online. We hope that you will be able to visit our booth today. Whoever is going to enroll today is eligible to win an iPhone. If not, you can always visit us in our office and you can just call 587-617-4777. Hope to see you there. Enroll now.
Ito yung most common question. How about the international student? Pwede ba silang mag-apply?
Here in Ace Career College, we also accept international students. If you want to know more about it, you can contact our Student Services Director, Miss Hazel Sanchez. Siya ang in charge sa atong international students. So, yeah. So, visit us.
Okay, ito yung mga karamihang tanong din sa mga bagong permanent residents. Kung pwede ba mag-student loan? Kung kining Ace Career College, mag-assess ba og student loan? Okay?
Ace Career College is a designated learning institution for Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. And so, students would be eligible for student financial aid. So, pwede sila mag-apply, ana, and we do assess. Among tabangan, we are going to help these students. And also, I just want to mention that in any course that they're going to enroll, we provide free laptop. So, yes, so that's how good we are here at Ace Career College. We are located, as what I have mentioned, in Asia Pacific Center, 104th Avenue, Southwest Calgary. We don't have any branch. Our office is just located here, but we cater students from Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. We are hoping to open in Manitoba and Saskatchewan, so hopefully we will be able to do that in the near future. Okay? Thank you so much.